Hi, it's Miki and it's another 2-minute with Posh Home. Today, we're going to talk about HDB Maisonette Staircase. So this is an HDB Maisonette that I've designed, and I'm especially proud of this staircase here. So usually HDB staircase Maisonette, it actually goes on a straight line and it starts from somewhere around this place. So what I did was actually extending the first 2 steps wider. With itself, I also eat a bit more into the walkway space, creating a better flow and visually illusion to a larger staircase. Because the theme of this house is actually modern luxury, so I feel that the original staircase is kind of narrow and I want to create something more flowing. So when I designed this, I had the intention that I wanted to create a better flow into this space for clients who finish the kitchen or from the dining space back to their living room. So from here, they can directly walk to these 2 staircase, which are extended and all the way back up into their bedrooms. And with a safety feature that I thought of that actually makes the use of gloss finish and matte finish tiles, finishing with rose gold stainless steel trimming that create this detailing to this staircase in the HDB Maisonette. And another feature that I thought of was creating lights LED strip along at every steps, not only for aesthetic purpose, but it's also a safety feature. So that is it for this video. If you like this kind of design, contact us at Posh Home. Until then, see you at the next video. Bye!